Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making a very tasty lunchbox recipe, and that is cheese methi paratha. It is so yummy and kids will not even notice the taste of methi in it. So let's start making our paratha. So first I am taking 1 cup of wheat flour. So now in this flour I am adding salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of oil, and half cup of fenugreek leaves. This is methi. I already cut it and wash it properly. So I am adding half cup of fenugreek leaves here. Now mix everything together. Now just add little bit of water at a time and just knead the dough. So here my dough is ready. Now I'm going to cover it and I'm going to set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare for cheese stuffing. For that I am taking 1 cup of cheese. This is I am taking mozzarella cheese. So you can combine cheddar and mozzarella together. In that I am adding half cup of onion, 1 green chili finely chopped, half inch ginger, 1 teaspoon of paratha masala. If you do not have paratha masala, you can also use chaat masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt to taste. I am not adding that much of salt because cheese already has salt in it. So now mix everything together. Make sure to mix everything very nice. So I'm just going to rub with my hand like this. So now the cheese stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to make my paratha. So I'm going to take little bit amount from the dough. And now I'm going to start rolling the paratha. Then I'll add some flour for dusting. I always like to take rice flour for dusting. That will give you very nice result. Now just start rolling the paratha. Now I'll take some cheese mixer and just put it in the middle like this. And gather all the dough at the top. And just close it. And remove any extra dough on the top. Now just press it like this, so it will remove all the bubbles and you will have equal amount of mixture everywhere. Now take little bit of flour and start rolling the paratha. You don't need to roll it too thin because it has cheese mixer, so if it's a little bit thick, it will taste better. So here I finished rolling the paratha. Now I'm going to roast it. So here my pan is nice hot. I'm going to just keep my paratha on the top like this and let it cook on one side. So now I'm going to flip it around. See, there is the dots on the top. So I'm going to let it cook on other side also. Now I'm going to add some oil on the top. And just flip it around. Cook nice and crispy on both the sides. So on the other side I am not adding oil because it's already oil on the pan, so it will be enough for both the sides. So here my paratha is ready. I'm going to serve with yogurt and green chili, and last but not least I'm going to add some butter on the top. So enjoy this cheese and methi paratha, and I'll see you with the next episode of Rinku's Rasoi. Till then, happy cooking!